Hey everyone, it's me, Mr. Robke, coming to you live from my house. Just wanted to give you a quick update about how we're going to move forward with distance learning. As you can see, we're not together in the true sense of the word, but we are able to be together through the use of technology, which I think is great. So I wanted to kind of give you a heads up of the way that things are going to run. Basically, we're going to send out a remind each night that says, tomorrow's a white day or the next day is a red day, and we really want you to follow that schedule for the day. My lessons may be a little bit shorter than what they normally are because we're expecting you to do about 20 to 30 minutes per class each day. And so I'm not going to give you a ton of stuff that you have to try and do, but I am expecting it to be as much to the normal as possible. We'll still have our slides that we do each time. Um, it's neat that I'm able to put this video message on here, and as you can see, I can go through slides that we'll be doing and page numbers, and I can actually even show you the pages. One thing that's going to be new with our distance learning, at least for my classroom, is that I've gone ahead and turned the comment section back on. If you remember back to first and second quarter, I had to turn the comment section off because all of you guys found it, which was awesome. But we were posting messages like, hello, and what are you up to? And all of those things, which none of them were inappropriate. But I want to try and make that part of our classroom learning. For one of our daily lessons, I may just post a question on there, which I'm going to do with this video as well. And then that way I can kind of gauge as to who's watching it. So I might ask the question of, why do you think the Mayans chose to live where they did? And then we can answer that question and you can kind of look at other people. I may even ask a question that says, find somebody in this thread, see what they've said, and then give them another side of the argument. It should be a neat discussion that we can learn a lot from one another. But like I said, let's not use the discussion board for just ways to say hello and just kind of make little silly comments. They've all got to be basically um, tied to what we're doing in class. So that's going to be a change. And then the page numbers, all of you should be able to see the online book. But I'm also going to be showing that as I go through. So if there's a page number, so let's say that we had to do a slide and it says right here, look at these 2 pages. I'm going to put these 2 pages on this screen. And then as you're watching my video, you can pause it and look at the pages yourself. Or you can get to the online book and look them up as well. But the online book what a great resource we have there to be able to get in there and find those answers. So I'm looking forward to it. This is just video number 1. And in our discussion board, I'm just going to have the question underneath this video that says, did you watch the video? And do you understand how we're moving forward? And also, do you have any questions for me as to how we're moving forward? This is all new and different for everyone, even me. But I think that we can still continue some great learning with social studies. And I'm going to need to partner with you in order to do that. As always, you can always email me any questions that you have. Per the district, I will be online from 9 a.m. to 11 every morning and then in the afternoon again, starting at 1. So please let me know what I can help with, if anything. All right, take care. Hope you guys are doing great, having some wonderful family time together, and I can't wait till we're back together again. Thank you.